Hello friends, I am Mehak Jain wishing you all a very happy Navratri and welcome back to World of Zoology. Today we are going to discuss second part of endocrine system, that is thyroid gland, parathyroid gland, pineal body and reproductive gland. Let's start with thyroid gland. It is the largest endocrine gland in the body. It is situated at the root of the neck on either side of the trachea. It is H-shaped gland of the body and weigh about 20 to 40 grams in adults. It has two lobes which are connected in the middle by the isthmus. Isthmus is the central but relatively very small part of thyroid gland that connect the right and left thyroid lobes. The gland is composed of two types of cells, follicular cell and parafollicular cell. Follicular cell are major type of cell in the thyroid gland and are responsible for the production and secretion of thyroid hormone T3 and T4. Parafollicular cell are neuroendocrine cell in thyroid. Its primary function is to secrete calcitonin. Now we are going to discuss hormones secreted by thyroid gland. The first one is T3 and T4. It contains 3 and 4 atoms of iodine respectively. Since both have similar effect on the target cell, they are generally considered together under the name thyroid hormone. They regulate the BMR in the body. BMR stands for basal metabolic rate. It is the rate of calorie consumption that is necessary for life. The hormone enhances the oxidative metabolism of body cell. As a result of it, energy production is also increased in the form of calorie. So this hormone is also called calorogenic hormone. They stimulate protein synthesis and therefore promote growth of the body tissue. It raises heart rate and blood flow. It causes growth and development of CNS. Now calcitonin. It is secreted by parafollicular cell. It is a polypeptide hormone. Its secretion is regulated by concentration of calcium in blood. It acts directly on osteoclast to reduce the remodeling of bone and increase reabsorption of calcium. It increases the movement of calcium ion from blood to bone, thus making bone solid and strong. Now we are going to discuss parathyroid gland. These are tiny lentil-sized glands embedded in posterior surface of thyroid gland. Two pairs of parathyroid glands are found in human beings. They are dark brown in color. They secrete parathormone. It is essential for maintenance of blood calcium level. It is protein in nature. Its deficiency causes tetany and its hypersecretion causes hypercalcemia. Now we are going to discuss pineal gland. It is a part of brain and ectodermal in origin. It is a small rounded body which consists of pineal cells and supporting glial cells. It controls sexual activity in animal by regulating the seasonal fertility. It secretes melatonin hormone, which is also called as sleep hormone because it promotes sleep. It influences onset of puberty ovulation. Its secretion is more in darkness than daylight. Now we are going to discuss testes. A pair of testes are lodged in the scrotal sac. Its chief endocrine part is formed by Leydig cell which secrete a group of hormone androgen, mainly testosterone. Testosterone promotes growth of secondary sexual organ, epididymis, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, urethra, etc. It stimulates development of secondary sexual characters like development of mustache, beard, hair on the chest, low pitch of voice, muscular growth, aggressiveness, etc. It stimulates sex urge, spermatogenesis and secretion of sweat. Now we are going to discuss ovary. These are cytogenic as well as endocrine in function. Its follicular cells secrete estrogen and corpus luteum secrete progesterone. Estrogen stimulate development of female secondary sexual characters like enlargement of breast, deposition of fat on buttock, beginning of menstrual cycle, high pitch of voice, etc. It stimulates development of uterine wall and proliferation of endometrium. Progesterone stimulates proliferation of uterine endometrium. It stimulates menstrual cycle and ovulation. It helps in placental hormone and development of fetus. If this video is helpful to you, please like, share, and subscribe.